ZANU-PF's internal power struggles have reportedly intensified in Manicaland, with former Zimbabwe National Army ZNA Commander Lieutenant General retired Anselm Sanyatwe and his close associates increasingly targeted over his perceived allegiance to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Salamina mashuko buda panguwa ina konkonzi aiwa Sanyatwe is under attack. Panguwa ino is factional wars are escalating. Don't forget subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tivina munamuda nyuwa mchenzi. Sanyatwe, who was removed from his post in the army by President Emerson Mnangagwa ahead of a planned protest by war veteran Blessed Ronezugeza on 3rd March, is said to be at the center of a factional peg, which is stated by Mnangagwa loyalists. In the latest development, such security agents from the Central Intelligence Organization CIO, in conjunction with the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority ZIMRA, shut down 7 branches of Madadalikwa, an enterprise owned by Sanyatwe's son-in-law, Danmo Mambondiani. The raids carried out last week in Harare have raised suspicions of political persecution, particularly as the outlets were not given the chance to regularize operations, a standard procedure in normal enforcement cases. Mambondiani, who also serves as ZANU-PF Youth League Deputy Secretary for Administration, has previously faced scrutiny. His fuel company, Liquid Cargo, recently came under fire over contested allegations that its fuel had damaged customers' vehicles, though the claims were widely dismissed as politically motivated. Party insiders allege that the clampdown is part of a broader strategy by Mnangagwa's allies to neutralize figures loyal to Chiwenga in the succession race ahead of the 2028 elections. Sanyatwe is widely believed to back Chiwenga's presidential ambitions, positioning him as a threat to Mnangagwa's scam. Sources cited by Newsday claim the crackdown was orchestrated by senior ZANU-PF officials from Manicaland aligned with Mnangagwa, including David Monowenyu, the chief executive of Discovery Ambulance Services, a company believed to be linked to controversial cleric Hubert Angel. Monowenyu is accused of collaborating with intelligence operatives to undermine Sanyatwe's influence by targeting his family's businesses. However, when contacted, Monowenyu dismissed the allegation, saying, "It's just name dropping. I think it's naive to involve me. If ZIMRA is doing its job and closing people's outlets for whatever reason, what has that got to do with me? How do I get involved in the factionalism of such a big party? I'm just a small fish. I didn't know I had such influence." Do mashuko arikuda panguwa ina chonkonzi Sanyatwe panguwa ina opinda mawan. Mboto zemba funguro enyu matukudi pamusoro pechitwe chimina kuma section medu zemafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.